Hi, I'm Andrew Morgan, a 3D artist with a passion for creating evocative environments. Amongst my clients, I've been fortunate to work with Aconite games. I've also created my own brand, Dreamfiber, where I experiment with all different kinds of media, from virtual reality to poster art. I use 3D because it gives me maximum flexibility when working as an artist. You can try all different kinds of ideas without having to be good at drawing or worrying about wasting paper. I like to use Cinema 4D in particular because its intuitive controls allow for a real flow when creating. My latest personal work is almost entirely composed of interior environments with a heavy retro influence. I often play off 80s and 90s ideas of luxury and style while infusing them with modern neon colours. Ultimately, I like my art to trigger an emotional response rather than just showing off some cool visuals. Most of all, I want to evoke a feeling of nostalgia mixed with a surreal and fantastical vibe. In this Domestika course, you will create 3D interior visualizations using Cinema 4D and Redshift. For the final project, you will create a vibrant and compelling environment with a retro twist and a splash of neon. First, we will start by building a library of reference material. I will introduce you to 3D modeling and set up our project in Cinema 4D. Next, we will use primitive shapes to block out the design of our room and then create a curvy retro sofa. We will then model our pool and a glass block wall. Lastly, we will bring on the neon and then add some details to our room. After lighting our scene with Redshift, we'll add some basic materials before doing some final tweaks and polishing. By the time you finish this course, you will have overcome some of the barriers in creating immersive 3D art. An understanding of the basic functions and interfaces of Cinema 4D and Redshift will be really useful when doing this course. Pursue your own interests to the fullest, however strange they may be, and express yourself in 3D.